Hey guys, I'm SNwadiei. I'm HYBASIA, helping your brothers and sisters in Africa as well as the Creole Griot Tea Shop. And right now I am still in my hometown, Galveston, Texas, y'all, at the beach at sunset. Y'all just look at it. How y'all doing today? No matter where you are in the world, I hope you're having a wonderful and blessed day. I'm gonna turn this camera around so y'all can see what else I'm seeing. There you go, guys. It is just so beautiful, so awesome. There's nothing like nature, y'all. Whether it's the sand dunes or even the people that draw the murals, or just that's all around us. The sky and everything, y'all. Just imagine, we are immortals. I know when I used to watch things like Hercules or whatever, or shows that was called The Immortals, I would always think of it as other people, because that's what it was in the movies, y'all. But for real, it describes each and every one of us. We are what we concept as God, having a human experience, y'all. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, because you don't know good without the bad. Unfortunately. I like looking at the birds, y'all. Can't imagine once upon a time I was so afraid of them from watching what I saw in the movie called The Birds. But now at least it's controllable, because fear, false evidence appearing real. False evidence appearing real. But y'all, just imagine that Back to the Future movie, pretty much how things are. Your future self, your past self, it's all you. Your ancestors, it's all you. If nothing is neither created nor destroyed, we all were always here. Always here. Just in a different bodysuit, so to speak. Just a different bodysuit. Same family, so I've been told, watching videos. Dr. Small said such last night, that we keep coming back over and over and over, putting more data into our God program, God concept, whatever we think that God is, we are. I believe that's why when they had all these stories in these different books, that the guy, Yeshua, said, when they asked him, who are you? And he said, I am. I am. And we say that all the time, I am. Sometimes it's I'm good, sometimes I'm bad, and sometimes I'm in between, because we're having our human experience, y'all. What we think of as ending is just the new beginning. Most people can't remember any past lives, and some people say they do, but we don't know, because we're different beings, but all one, just the same. like sands on the beach. Just one little drop of sand, but it's making up the beach. And the sand gets washed off into the ocean during the high tide and comes back with the low tide. Y'all, we are all connected. All of us. All of nature. We are one with nature. The sky, the air that we breathe, the trees that capture the carbon and release it as oxygen again to us. We go back into the soil, like they say, remember, man, that thou art dust, and unto dust thou shalt return. That's how we get our food, y'all. Put a seed in the ground, in the earth, put a little water on it, and then the earth changes that seed into something that we can eat. But the nutrients come from the earth. And no, I didn't make that up by myself. What? I heard it on a video just as well. I love listening to other people's videos as well when it has something of interest to me. Look at those birds, y'all. They call them a super flock. They do all of this kind of stuff in the wintertime before they go into hibernation. But that sky, y'all, so beautiful. Our God is amazing and infinite and can't even be labeled. We say God, the Most High, the Creator, our God, our Goddess, the Infinite One, the Source, and who knows what our other many, many names that we give for who we all are a part of. I just want y'all to know that no matter what you're going through, it will not last forever. Whether it's good or it's bad. If you want to be remembered longer, have children. That's you. You're having yourself. So it's no set time to recreate you, because you know not the hour when you are going to reset and go back to the source. So plant your replacement. That's your replacement. The people that you give birth to, the people that you give ideas to, the plants that you grow, whether they seeds, trees, whatever. The love that you give out to whatever creature on earth, whether it be dog, cat, birds, humans. It's giving birth to yourself. Well, y'all, if you want to remember your ancestor, which is your past you, through planting a tree, please consider donating to HYBASIA. We will plant that tree for you and nurture it, and it's there for the next generation, so you will be remembered for many, many lifetimes. And until next time, what? Peace. Peace. Power to the people. I'm out, y'all. Bye.